Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. What I'm going to do today, I'm going to teach you how to do this Python program that will mask URLs. So first of all, what we do is we create a list in Python called URLs, and inside that list I put two URLs, and we come down here and we create a function, and the function is called mask URLs. And then we use the print command here, and we tell the user that we're masking the URLs, and we use the time.sleep, and we enter in a value of 1. That value of 1 relates to 1 second. So this program will be paused for 1 second. And then we have to use a for loop. So what we say is for URL in URLs. So we're going to have a look inside the URLs list and iterate over it. So for URL in URLs. Then we create a variable here called mask URLs and assign it to URL up here dot replace URL. So we're going to replace any of those URLs with topsecret.com. Once we've done that, we're going to use the print command to print out the masked URLs. And to call the program, we have to call the program by its name. So the program is called mask URL. So we go down here and type in mask URL in order to call or run the program. So let's take a look at it. Let's just hit start like that, and we'll go into it, make it a bit bigger. So there we go. So what we've done is those two URLs there, we've masked them with top secret here. So you can just type in anything you want there. So there you go, nice little simple program there. And I've got some more URL programs coming over the next few days. So remember, thank you very much for coming along with me on this, and if you're not already subscribed to the channel, it would be nice if you could do so, and it would be even better if you could give me a thumbs up and drop me a comment, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.